Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another eye look tutorial for you guys today. I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this gold halo eye. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look right here, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And if you guys would like to be entered for our monthly giveaway, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done down below if you live in the US, because our giveaway is US only. So jumping right into the tutorial, first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids with some concealer. And you can go ahead and prime with whatever you would like to, and then I like to set mine with a little bit of translucent powder. For today's palette, I'm going into my Jaclyn x Morphe Vault Armed and Gorgeous palette, and I'm going into the light orange shade as my first transition color, and I'm just going in with this big fluffy brush from the Jaclyn x Morphe collection, and I'm just kind of adding this in the crease just to add a wash of color. And then the next shade that I'm going to be going into is the darker brown shade in the palette, and I'm going to be going into my angled brush. And for this step, I will be applying a line of definition only to the outer and inner part of my crease, kind of leaving the center bare. And we're just going to start to build depth on that inner and outer crease. And I really like how halo eyes look when you kind of leave the center for the spotlight. And I think that this look is super on trend right now. So once we have those lines of definition down, I'm going into a small tapered brush, and I'm going into that orange shade first and just kind of diffusing that line, and then going back into that same brown shade that we used to originally draw those lines of definition. And I'm just using that with this small tapered brush just to diffuse it and add more of a gradient. And then we're going to be applying the center lid shade. So first I'm going into this shade right here called Guilt Trip with this flat brush, and I did wet my brush with a little bit of Fix Plus, and I'm primarily focusing this shade right smack in the middle, and then with whatever's left over, I'm just kind of smudging it from left to right, and this is going to help us blend that lid shade. So I find that when you try to apply things in a blended way, it makes blending the shades together a lot simpler. So I'm going into my big fluffy tapered brush, and we're going into that first transition color and just kind of starting to diffuse those edges and just kind of blending everything out. And then we're going to be going into a pencil brush and the dark brown shade, which is what I'm doing here, and I'm just doing dragging inward motions with this pencil brush, and it's just adding another layer of dimension, and it just made blending really easy. Just kind of focus everything on the very inner and outer edge, and then with whatever's left over, just do dragging inward motions, going back into the bigger, fluffier tapered brush and just kind of blending everything together one last time. Next, I grabbed my NYX glitter glue and I just applied that to the very center of my lid, and then I picked up my Eye Candy Cosmetics Hocus Pocus glitter, and with a very small amount of glitter, I just applied that just to the very center of the lid as well. Then I peeled off my tape and I'm starting to apply my Shop Sophie Bella Bora lashes. Link to our lash company will always be in the description box down below. And then I just grabbed our first orange transition color with my smudger brush, and that's pretty much it for the lower lash line. I wanted to keep it very simple for this look. And then I grabbed my Mad Lash mascara by The Balm, and I just coated my lower lashes. For my inner corner highlight, I've been using my Pop Beauty Gilded Light highlighter. And then that's pretty much it for this look. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to check back on our channel every single day because we are doing daily uploads. And that's pretty much it for this. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!